If you guys are holding XRP or cryptocurrencies, we have a lot to talk about because of all the things that are taking place in the Middle East. And this is causing a lot of uncertainty, fear, and doubt. And when things like that happen, when there is uncertainty and investors are not sure about the particular outcomes that could occur based on these events, people will typically de-risk and sell. But again, another thing about war is that it makes currencies weak. But because certain currencies are weak, people will end up putting their currencies into a more stable asset class like gold, silver, and even crypto such as Bitcoin, which is digital gold, XRP, Ethereum, Solana. So there's a lot of uncertainty. There's a lot of confusion right now that's taking place. And that usually takes place almost every single summer. Last summer, this same thing happened. There was bombings, Israel, all of this, etc. All of this same thing was basically taking place, and that caused the market to crash. But all of this uncertainty, fear, panic, and doubt provided incredible buying opportunities, provided incredible trading opportunities, and that's the bullish thing about it. This is most likely going to end soon. All of this uncertainty in the Middle East is probably going to end soon. There is going to be some type of resolution. There's going to be some peace, but things could get worse before they get better. And this is going to be the biggest week for cryptocurrencies this year to date. We have so many things taking place. I believe we even have a Fed meeting. If I'm not mistaken, I have to check the calendar. But we have FOMC minutes, potentially meeting afterwards where they could announce the rate cut decision. Could be wrong on that. That might take place next month, but we do have FOMC coming up for sure. That for sure is 100% happening. There's a lot of things taking place. And the question is, what should we be doing? Should we be buying? But personally, for me, in my community, we have made a lot of money milking this bull market. And it is the summer, so I'm probably going to be falling back a little bit, waiting for some clarity. And I think Bitcoin could potentially go to 92,000, somewhere in that region. Once Bitcoin hits that level, altcoins are going to have corrected pretty significantly. That's where I'm personally going to be interested in buying altcoins and cryptos. But in the meantime, there's going to be plenty of trading opportunities this week and even in the next coming hours. And I will announce those trades in the Patreon. Have the most profitable trading community in the world in crypto. If you guys want to follow my signals, we are having weekly profits, massive profits. Join the Patreon right now for immediate access. But continue to be patient. There's a lot of bullish things that are taking place. This uncertainty, yes, it is dumping us. It's dropping us lower, but it's going to provide an incredible trading opportunity for you and for your friends and family because we're going to be able to buy the dip. And then the dip is going to bounce very hard with altcoins, especially as they have already corrected. And that's where we make money. We make money by waiting for crashes and corrections, buying the dip, and then selling after it bounces. You're not going to make money if you hold forever unless you get an incredible entry at the very, very, very bottom of a move, and that's going to continue to go up. That's the only time you want to hold forever. Even with Bitcoin, I personally do not believe in holding forever because you will make so much more money if you buy at the bottom of a macro move, the 4-year cycle, buy somewhere near that bottom, sell near the top, wait for that bear market, which lasts about a year every single time. Bitcoin will typically correct 70, 80%. That's when you want to rebuy. You could buy a lot more Bitcoin. It goes up another 3 to 10x. It's going to keep doing that. And altcoins do that even more aggressively in a more aggressive fashion, up and down. So you're going to make more money by taking profits, by buying low and selling high. You're going to make a lot more money like that. And in the Patreon, I tell you guys exactly when to do that accurately. It's going to be an incredible week. You guys better get ready. It's going to be absolutely insane. Make sure you guys also trade over on Blowfin. The link's in my video description. Check out ALGOSNIPER. It's my trading indicator, which is part of my trading system and my strategy that I put it into this indicator so you could visually see when to buy and sell. You guys can try that today for $1. And also follow me on Twitter. I post a lot of very important time-sensitive notifications and updates for you guys financially. That's going to be it, guys, for this video. If you got something out of this video, consider to give this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.